Hello, I'm Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle collision in the Lighthouse Point area, give me a call. The call is free, 866-402-4250. The consultation is free. Whether it's a new case or an existing case that you want a second opinion, they're both free consultations. So in an accident in Florida, you have 14 days to report your collision to a healthcare provider. If you fail to do that, you will get no care in the future. Many patients don't experience pain for sometimes weeks after the collision. So every patient who has had an auto accident should give me a call at 866-402-4250 so we can discuss what you're feeling and whether it needs to be reported. If you report an injury, it doesn't mean you have to get therapy or treatment. You can just simply keep the case open, and if you need no therapy, a couple months goes by and you're fine, we'll just close the case. It's that simple. To report your injuries, you can't go to your primary care physician because they won't report auto accident injuries. You can call them up and verify this. You can go to the ER, urgent care, where you'll sit around for hours with sick people waiting to see a doctor who then diagnose you with no acute findings because they don't understand whiplash and soft tissue injuries. You'll spend thousands of dollars, often overexposed to radiation from CAT scans you don't need, and sent home with medications that I can call into your local pharmacy without you leaving the comfort of your own home. If you decide to use my services, it's a simple link to your cell phone through a text. You connect with me, we discuss your case, I document your injuries, I can prescribe medications delivered to your doors often. I can communicate with your primary care physician. I'm a primary care physician. I communicate with your attorney. I've been doing this for 30 years. I defend my cases in court. I build solid cases because I know how to diagnose soft tissue injuries. Those who fail to do that have cases that fall apart, and people wonder why they're not getting a settlement they thought they would get. It's because you're on the very front of your case, it was poorly documented injuries. You can't come back at the end of the case and say, oh, by the way, we missed this, and now we're going to present that data for this injury. You've got to do it on the front end. That's why it's so important to get to somebody who's competent, who's experienced in this field. I've been doing this for over 30 years. So we work with local Lighthouse Point chiropractic physicians, attorneys, neurologists, chiropractors, to make sure that you get your health care delivered locally, within blocks of your home. This service is just to help you get this ball in motion, essentially, to document things properly, to do that without you sitting in an emergency room. It's also an opportunity for you to get a second opinion. Many patients are in cases where they're not sure what they're doing is helping. They do the same thing every day, and they're not getting better, and they're wondering, well, should I be doing this? Give me a call. Free second opinions at 866-402-4250. So give us a call if you have any questions. We'd be glad to help you for the Lighthouse Point area. Thank you.